Yo, what's up? ATL Jazz, stay down, nigga. What's up? Shouts out to the people of Florida. My nigga Gorilla Zone. Hey, hood nigga. We take the perk by the pound. The trunk stay bumping. Y'all know we running town. Hood nigga. And we keep a bad bitch around. Big bitch. Long hair, yellow, white, red, brown. Hood nigga. And my Chevy sitting on 24 flats, look like flapjack. Pancakes, you ain't no hood nigga. I'ma play the game I go. They can take me out the hood, but I'ma keep it hood, folks. Hood nigga, boss dog just like that. Nigga, let me see. Nigga, pimp this back. Trying to get it on the mag, trying to pimp this whack. Nigga, trying to get down, nigga, trying to get back. Busting up a roll, everybody got a hold. Throwing up the signs, everybody got gold. Gorillas on the name, where the fuck you at? Cush down, bust down, nigga, trying to get the same. Nephew Kush in the street, nigga, bumping on the trees, nigga, smoking on the loud, nigga, fucking with the freeze, nigga. You can't mess with me, nigga, I am about the best, nigga. I'm a hood, nigga, you can fuck the rest, nigga. Busting wheel cheese, nigga, I got a 9, nigga. About to go to jail, nigga, trying to give me time, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Smoking every fucking day, smoking every way. I'm a fucking player hate niggas on the ride trying to get me. You get me on the streets trying to see, and I'm slipping. I'm slipping with my mind, and I'm tripping. I don't have no OG cause the kush is ripping. Nephew Kush is better than Dro, nigga, trying to get it old, trying to bang my chose. I don't play my hoes with the dogs in the street. You looking for a freak, nigga, fucking with the me. I am a big dog, 6'3", and I'm tall, nigga. I put it on ya, I put it on, break 'em all, bruh. Don't mess with me, trying to get it with the G's up, hoes down, nigga. That's the way it be, cause I'm a hood nigga. You know we running this shit. Glade Road Ashworth, ATL style. Hood nigga. And we keep all bitches around. Yo bitch, his bitch, that bitch, I'm pound. Whole nigga. Nigga trying to mess with me, nigga, better watch your back, nigga. Trying to get a tree, nigga, hood nigga. And I keep all my 9, big bitch. Everybody trying to get a dime.
I'm a hood nigga. I don't really give a fuck, nigga. Really trying to go, nigga. Got the thing tugged, and I don't know the bug because I got it escalate. Send your ass, murder your ass, put your ass in every blaze. What you mean, dog? And yeah, my niggas sipping haze. What you mean? Talking purple drink, got me sitting haze. What you mean, dog? Got my niggas on the block with it, and if you wanna talk shit, boy, I bet you go and get it. What the hell, dog? And yeah, my nigga pushing to the left, pushing to the right, boy. G, boy, all night. What you mean? Got them niggas right there in sight. If you wanna talk shit, boy, we don't really fight, but we shoot out all night. Nigga, pistol play, gun play, put it to your mama house where you stay. Fuck, nigga, I don't play. Nigga, put it with a K. Nigga got a mat, nigga, drawing in 16.
Hood nigga. Cause the perk by the pound, the trunk stay bumping. Y'all know we running town. Hood nigga, and I keep all bitches around. Yo bitch, my bitch, his bitch, and I'm pound. Hood niggas. And I'm smoking every fucking day. Flash like the last name. Nigga, Superman stay. Hood nigga. Nigga, I done fucked on the lyric, but we going back down, nigga, trying to get a stick. Hood nigga, let me tell you about this girl. Where Beyonce at? Fuck Jay-Z, girl. Playing with me, I'ma make your world. You don't wanna fuck with that nigga trying to get a squirrel. Let me see Fantasia, and the nigga got plays, nigga. I don't need a beat, nigga. I'm still running haters,
That
bladers,
shit
niggas
was
trying to
crazy.
get it. Nigga, let me tell you,
Biatch.
ATL, and you with it. Word!